Daily Active Balance BMS features intelligent series compatibility, reduces inventory pressure. Multiple series configurations are available as shown above. Automatically detects the battery pack series upon power-up. Built-in Bluetooth with companion smart app. High-efficiency active balancing with a peak current of 1000 mA. Industry-first support for up to 400 A continuous current. Configurable 22,000 microfarads pre-charge and short-circuit protection. Easily handles heavy load startup. Comes with a complete set of accessories for easier installation and use. Supports IoT cloud platform for remote batch battery management. This is the battery pack's positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. For high vibration or humid environments, apply sealant at connection points. Next, connect the sense harness. Note, ring terminals require user preparation and soldering. Connect the first wire, black, of the harness to the battery pack's negative terminal. Connect the second wire, blue, to the positive terminal of the first cell. Connect each cell in sequence. Connect the last sense harness wire and the B+ wire to the battery pack's positive terminal. Note, if reducing the number of cells in series, do not short-circuit the extra wires. Insulate them individually with electrical tape. After wiring, verify the sense harness connection is correct. Connect the black probe to B0, and the red probe sequentially to B1, B2, B3, B4. If the multimeter shows positive voltage increasing by each cell's voltage, the harness is connected correctly. Secure the P- output wire and B- output wire to the B- and P- terminals on the BMS. Connect the B- wire to the battery pack's negative terminal. Insulate the end of the P- wire with electrical tape. Insert the NTC into the BMS. Insert the sampling wires. Finally, insert the B+ wire connector into the BMS. The BMS does not require activation upon first power-up. The BMS status LED lighting up indicates it's operational. There are 3 ways to get the Daily app. First, scan the QR code to download. Second, download from the App Store. Third, contact customer service to get the app. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and location services. Open the Daily app. Click the BMS device button. On this page, select Single. It also supports parallel packs and series packs. You can see the Bluetooth code on the BMS here. And click the Scan button to quickly connect via QR code to the app. Or select the corresponding Bluetooth code to connect. Once connected, battery information can be viewed on the home page. The cell string is automatically recognized and displayed. Tap the control button, the default password is 1 to 6. Next, complete 2 necessary settings. Step 1, confirm battery type. Default is usually LiFePO4. If it does not match the actual battery type, select the correct cell type to synchronize the voltage parameters with 1 click. Step 2, set the cell capacity to match the actual cell capacity. Tap Settings for advanced BMS parameters. To upgrade firmware, tap Upgrade. A firmware code is required, please contact support to obtain it. Do not close the app or disconnect the network during the upgrade, or it may fail. Active Balancing BMS Interface Introduction. CAN/485 Interface, Connect Inverter Network Cable, CAN/485 Communication Cable. UART Interface, Connect Wi-Fi Module, GPS Module, 4.3-inch and 3 displays, Interface Board, UART Communication Cable. Key Interface, Connect Key Switch to control BMS discharge and sleep. DIO Interface, Connect Buzzer and Heating Module. NTC Interface, Connect Temperature Sensor Cable. Active Balancing BMS with 6 core protection features. Active Balancing Function Demonstration. If battery meet conditions min voltage 3.00 volt and min difference 0.010 volt, the BMS starts active balancing. After balancing, voltage difference drops below 0.010 volt. Wire disconnect protection demo. If any wire disconnects, the app shows a disconnect alarm. Reconnect the wire immediately. The BMS has miswiring protection. After connecting with wrong wiring, the app alarm page shows voltage acquisition line disconnection. Note misconnection protection only for 6 series or less. When wiring is corrected, the app alarm disappears. There are 2 ways to obtain the PC software. First, log into the DALY website to download and install the PC software. Second, contact customer service to get and install the PC software. Connect the USB UART cable between the BMS and the computer. Perform SoC calibration using the PC software. Open the DALY PC software and select Manufacturing. Here you can set battery type, capacity, and other advanced parameters. Then click OCV Management. Configure the OCV SoC curve according to the cell model. Set the curve according to the OCV data provided in the cell manufacturer's specification sheet. This ensures an accurate voltage to SoC mapping. If there is a significant SoC deviation, you can calibrate SoC using the app's 0/full calibration function. Safely ride or discharge the battery to the manufacturer's specified safe cutoff voltage. Let the battery rest. When the voltage stabilizes near the safe voltage, set the Cal 0 value to the manufacturer's specified safe cutoff voltage. For SoC 100 calibration, use a standard charger to fully charge the battery. Let it rest for a while. Set the Cal 100 value to the manufacturer's specified safe fully voltage. Note the following when using 0/full calibration. First, do not set values arbitrarily. Over-discharge or overcharge will damage the battery. Strictly follow the manufacturer's specified voltage range. Second, the battery must rest before calibration, otherwise, unstable voltage will cause inaccurate calibration.